Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna talk about quick mail. So first of all, we're gonna go through the different packages of quick mail. We're gonna talk about why would you choose quick mail and what would it bring you as benefits. And of course, we're gonna discuss the core main points of quick mail, which are performance, innovation, and reliability. And of course, if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course, comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Also, all the links and resources used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check that out too. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes. So guys, we are now on the official website of QuickMail, and we're gonna talk a little bit about QuickMail. Of course, they have a free trial of 14 days, so if you are interested about using their service, you can check it out for 14 days for free before you start paying anything. And of course, we will be checking their pricing board in a bit. And moving on to the next section, which is Deliverability AI. And on quickmail.com, we have a huge upgrade on this domain. So for Deliverability AI, here is what it does. So basically, you can send and scale safely, run multi-channel outreach at no extra cost, and of course, ensures superior deliverability with no extra work. Of course, on QuickMail, you could be getting analytics and insights, and you can't get anywhere else because these are so precise and they are so professionally guided that you will be actually enjoying these insights. And of course, it ensures a superior deliverability across all your campaigns without any extra work. And here is how it happens. So each email account is scored daily with a deliverability index. If a score goes down, it's replaced with a healthy email account automatically, ensuring no delays for your campaigns. And of course, I'll be putting in the description below a link that speaks more about the Deliverability AI so you can understand more what it is and how you can use it on QuickMail efficiently without losing any time or money. So if we go a little bit now to the solutions, obviously they are offering solutions for agencies, demand generation, Deliverability AI, campaigns, and entire team, inboxes securely, and of course, integrations. We are interested about the Deliverability AI. So this feature is all about your email and not being able to get scammed by some really fishy, let's say, profiles. And it says here, never let a weak inbox waste your campaign, take control of deliverability, and get better results than ever before. Of course, it explains a little bit more what is offered with this service, which is get more from every cent, which is like a really good feature. And of course, protecting your domains and having this sort of control on every single domain that you have. Of course, the deliverability score, SSL, SPF, DKIM, and the blacklist. And here you can actually see the names, the stage, the email, and the score of each and single email. We're going to be moving a little bit to the pricings, and their prices are actually really good because the basic plan, where the one that is like this one right here, it engages and closes prospects on autopilot, and it is $49 per month. That's really low for 30,000 emails monthly, 10,000 active prospects, 5 email addresses, 1 LinkedIn account, unlimited team members, free auto warmer with mail flow, reply handling, Zapier, blacklist monitor, and expert support. For the pro plan, it is $89 per month, and it adds here 100,000 emails monthly, 50,000 active prospects, and Deliverability AI, advanced analytics, and hub support, Pipedrive native integration. So if you are interested by using the Deliverability AI solution that we talked about, you need to be getting this pro plan right here. So you can actually use it, and you're getting even more emails monthly and a lot of other features. Of course, their expert plan includes everything with over 300,000 emails monthly and 100,000 active prospects. Of course, over 50 email addresses and 15 LinkedIn accounts. Yeah, really cool. Of course, in the resources, you will be finding the cold email guide, the blog, the cold outreach advice, CTA swipe file, courses, podcasts, customer stories, and even more informations. And for their registration, it's actually very easy. All you have to do is just connecting either by putting an email and password or by just connecting with Google, Microsoft, or LinkedIn. So guys, back at you again with the platform of QuickMail, and now we're going to be checking out all the features in the platform. So you can see here the steps in order for you to know which are the main things that you need to do now. Step 1, add emails account. Step 3, add leads. And you can change, of course, the number of the steps and which steps that you want to do. Of course, everything is just guided. You have here, of course, the forecast calculator, the domains, emails per domain, sent email and sent per day, the delivered email, the open, the reply, the positive, the booked, the shown up, and the close. And you have here also the deal value and revenue. We have here a small tutorial to show you around. Of course, you don't need to have that because you have this video. Here, it's the leads page, and you can add them manually, CSV or Google Drive. Of course, those are like the main important ones. Adding campaign, you just need to put the name and sharing everyone or just for me. So it's a private campaign. The email accounts, you can add here your professional email accounts. Either you have credentials or you can also press the I don't have credentials. And you will be directed. Of course, also in the channels panel, you have the LinkedIn. So you can be adding your LinkedIn, choose the country. You can choose your country here. And for example, Argentina, and here the LinkedIn cookies. And then you just press add. Going to the communication panel, we have inbox, which is assigned to me, assigned to other, unassigned, and all. And these are opportunities, and you can also filter them by state. So you can, for example, all or active and pending, active or archived. Status, you can open, lost, or won, and snoozed. If you want to view the snooze, you can select there. Here, assignee selection, you can also assign to me or to others, or you can check like the access. The email selection also is really good. The outbox here, you can see it with the email sent and the number, and you have a small chart here that you can see it in details in the analytics panel. So here the email sent, future emails, first week open rate, and you can see here the open rates per week, per month, and with dates and everything is just really clear and good explained. Of course, we have here in the workspace panel, we have the settings, the general. You can change here the basic information about your tracking in seconds, lead sharing, the name, the integrations. If you want to add some integrations, you can add here Pipedrive or HubSpot. And this is for the email verification. So number of days for which email verification is valid. We have here the API keys, and you can create also API keys by just pressing the generator there. Here in the replies, out of office delay, and you can change it here. Use AI to automatically categorize replies, sub-campaigns, and some complicated stuff. Google Drive, here are the settings. You can continue with Google Drive here, very easy. And in the billing or in the team, you can see here the team. And the guests, you can see here the guests, of course, and you can here generate an invitation link with editing or without editing. So as a viewer or as editor, and you can just send this mail, this link to your client or to your guest, and he will be checking out stuff that you put on. And we're going to talk a little bit about QuickMail. Of course, they have a free trial of 14 days. So if you are interested about using their service, you can check it out for 14 days for free before you start paying anything. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we talked about QuickMail. We went through the different packages, and we talked about why would you choose QuickMail and what would it bring to you or to your business. Of course, we talked about the three main core points of QuickMail, which are performance, innovation, and reliability. So if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course, comment to the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. Have a good day. Ciao, ciao.